Hey guys, welcome to Casey Crawls. So today we're gonna put some parts on a Jeep. So stick around and like, subscribe, all that other good YouTube stuff, and check out what we're gonna do. I think you'll like it. Thanks. All right guys, so this was supposed to be really easy, but it wasn't. The bumper was easy, but the winch, that's a different story. So what you got going on?
We got a little hole oblation.
Whole oblation? Let's see what we got going on.
Making some slots.
So there's that hole. We had to do some modification to the winch plate, and now we're trying to get all the bolts. We got 3 bolts in, and this one here, that one's giving us a hard time. So here's what Chris is doing. Man, that looks way too much like work to me. You ready?
Let's do it. Do it, one more. Nothing in the bottom. Here's my spot. I say you start over here. Alright, we're going to have to do some room and twist it a little bit. So that's fine. Can we lift it up a little bit? Lined up and then do this one, that one's in. Let's see. Anybody can lift that one with just the hair? There you go. See that?
Alright, that one's in. And that one's in. I think we got all 4 of them in.
Go back to file, save the day.
Save the day.
We're about to break out the toys.
Let's see. Yeah, I was too. I was like, let's get
You
the
were ready.
plasma.
Chris, I'll paint the damn thing for you again. We'll burn it up. Right. There's a bit more air here, but I don't think that's a problem. We got it.
I think we're good. All right, guys, we're done. Finally, the simplest projects turn into kind of a pain in the butt. So that's what this one was. So we've got, Chris, what do you got?
We've got a Red Rock stubby rock crawler front bumper and a Smitty build XRC 9500 winch.
Yep, 9,500 pounds. I think that's going to do it. It's on a 2021 JL Sahara. We've done a couple of things to this one, and I think this is going to work out good. So good modification, good addition to the Jeep. Now we just got to go get on the trail and test it out. Hopefully on somebody else's Jeep.
Right?
Yep, so there you go. Good job.
Thanks, sir.
All right.
Time to hit the trail.